Today I am going to discuss about blue light therapy, which is phototherapy. Ultraviolet radiations are non-ionizing radiations of different types, ranges from 100 to 480 nanometer wavelength. Different types of UV are: first is UVA, which is used for wound healing and reaches first two layers of the skin. Its wavelength is 315 to 400 nanometer. Second in UVB, which is used for skin treatments, and its wavelength is 280 to 315 nanometer. It is only reaches to the first layer of the skin and cause sunburn if skin is exposed to excessive UVB light. And other type is UVC, which is filtered out by ozone layer, and it is 100 to 280 nanometer and used for germicidal effects. नेचुरली हमें अल्ट्रावायलेट रेज सन से मिल रही होती हैं, बट इन स्कैटर्ड एंड फिल्टर्ड फॉर्म. यूवी ए एंड यूवी बी, जो कि वुंड हीलिंग और स्किन के ट्रीटमेंट के लिए यूज़ होती हैं, नेचुरली हमें सन से मिल रही होती हैं. बट यूवी सी, जो कि ओजोन लेयर की वजह से फ़िल्टर हो जाती है और जर्मीसाइडल इफेक्ट रखती है, यानी कि जर्म्स को किल करती है, हमें नहीं मिल पाती. सन बाथ इसीलिए नेसेसरी है बिकॉज ये विटामिन डी की अमाउंट को बॉडी में इंक्रीज़ करता है, जिस्म और जोड़ों में होने वाली सोजिश को कम कर देता है और नेचुरली पेन को कम करता है बाय इंक्रीजिंग ब्लड फ्लो, एंड इसके जर्मीसाइडल इफ़ेक्ट्स हैं. तो नेचुरली यूवी रेज लेने के लिए आप मॉर्निंग में सुबह 5 से 9 के दरमियान की सनलाइट में बाथ ले सकते हैं फॉर 3 to 5 minutes. Phototherapy is a form of treatment that uses ultraviolet light, which is blue light therapy, for treating chronic problems. LED light emitting diode. Therapist can control strength and time of UV rays to treat the patient. Proper use is generally defined as reaching the subarrhythmic dose, which is SED, which is the maximum amount of ultraviolet rays that skin receives without burning. E1 is minimal arrhythmia dose. Before restarting, let the unit cool down for 5 minutes. E2 is 2.5% of E1, E3 is 5% of E1, and E4 is 10% of E1. Formula is subarrhythmal minus 75 of E1. E4 double is 20 by E1. These are the button for on and off. E4 and E4 double is used for open wound treatment. Treatment time is dependent upon the size of the area and the strength of the light provided by unit. This button is for off. Treatment time for UVB is less than UVA. It could be from few seconds to few minutes. Always use eye protection and monitors baby's body's temperature and body serum bilirubin concentration. Apply moisturizer after 20 minutes of treatment to avoid dryness. Cover the part of body which is not going to be treated with shield or blanket and expose the skin which is going to be treated. Jaundice is the term for increase in bilirubin. Voltage for the unit is between 220 to 240 and frequency is 50 Hz. UVA consists of long wavelength that reaches first two layers of the skin, while UVB consists of medium wavelength which only reach to the top layer of the skin and causes sunburn if its dose is increased beyond the normal level. Uses: psoriasis, acne vulgaris, eczema, chronic infections, vitiligo, treatment of deficiency of vitamin D, pruritus. As you can see, voltage is increased after unit is on. Healing wound, pain relief and osteomalacias are therapeutic blue lights uses. Contraindications: irradiation into eyes, cancer, pregnancy and organ transplant. Light changes its color as the unit is on, from bright white to green and then blue. Usually results of the light can be seen after 6 sessions of ultraviolet radiation therapy. If the wavelength is shorter, there is less penetration and increased absorption. Because short wavelength rays are scattered in the upper layer of the skin due to the thickness of the skin, while greater wavelength is directly proportional to deep penetration. Light transition from bright white to green and then blue. Blue light therapy decreases inflammation, germicidal effects, boosts up wound healing, increases vitamin D by as UVB converts sterols in the skin to vitamin D. Patient feel heat as the concentration of the light is increased. In physiotherapy, blue light is used for pain relief, reduction in inflammation, osteoporosis, osteomalacia, vitamin D deficiency diseases, and delayed wound healing. This is all about blue light therapy. Thank you so much for watching the video.